Stop settling for bland fish, because this Cajun fish seasoning is about to change the way you cook seafood. It's bold, a little smoky, slightly spicy, and comes together in minutes with simple pantry spices. You'll find the full recipe waiting for you in the description. Let's start with 1 tablespoon of paprika to build that smoky base. Then add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder together with 1 teaspoon of onion powder for that savory depth. Next, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of dried thyme along with half a teaspoon of dried oregano for a subtle herbal note. Now add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to bring in a gentle heat. Follow that with half a teaspoon of salt together with half a teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. And finally, finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of dried lemon zest for a light citrusy lift. Once everything is in, mix it really well until all the spices are evenly combined and the blend looks uniform. If this just gave you a new idea for your next meal, go ahead and like the video, share it with someone who loves seafood, and subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And now your Cajun fish seasoning is ready to go. This makes about 2½ tablespoons, perfect for seasoning fish before pan-searing, grilling, baking, or even air frying. Any leftover seasoning can be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, and it'll stay fresh and flavorful for up to 6 months. Give this a try the next time you cook fish and see how much of a difference it makes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon again with another flavorful recipe.